Okay, welcome to week 9. Today I'm gonna to continue with some other parts, and hopefully next week we will start to make some assembles. Okay, now open a new page and let's select right plane, or you may select front. Okay, we can work on front. Normal 2, sketch, line, and try to make this a sketch. 3 points arc here to here and make an arc. Now dimension, this one is 100. This one is 115. Okay, here to here is 50. You may not need. Okay, can I change this one? Sorry. Yeah, it's possible. That's why we have to put 50 here. This one is 50, and use a point here and try to find the mid of this arc and make a point here, and then the dimension between this point and this line is given as 240. Okay, this is my sketch. Now let's continue. Isometric, and extrude. 45, confirm. Now select this plane, normal 2, sketch, line, here to here to here. Do not select this, the midpoints of the line. Another line here to here, and 3 points arc here to here, and this one. Make this a sketch. I have a lines here and an arc here. Now let's say dimension. This one is 150. Definitely it should be 50, and quite similar to previous one. Try to select midpoint of this arc, and let's say distance between these two here is given as 35. And if you do so, definitely this one will be black. Isometric, cut extrude, feature, cut extrude, and 5. Now select this plane, normal 2, and try to make line, use line to make this a sketch from here to here. Another line is here to here to here. Arc, 3 points arc, as this. Dimension. This one, radius of this arc is 110. Here to here, this distance is 50, and you have to say this arc is tangent to this line. Okay, isometric. Now we are gonna to cut extrude this sketch up to surface, and you have to select this surface. Now go to feature, fillet, and select this one as 10 and confirm it. Is that 10? I have to check. Yeah, it is 10. Okay. Now select this plane, normal to, use line to create this sketch. Dimension, angle between these two lines is 65. This one is 65. Here to here is given as 20. Right. Put a point at the mid of this line, and let's say here to here, this one is given as 40, and here to here is given as, sorry, this one is 40, and here to this point is given as 35. Okay. Okay. Isometric, feature, cut extrude, through all, confirm. Select here, normal to, sketch, and line. Here to here to here to here, 3 points arc. Here, let's say this one should be tangent, this should be tangent to this line, here is 15, and you may bring this part here, and you have to say distance between this corner and this one distance between, I have to find, yeah, you can find this one as well, it is possible. This distance is 5, sorry, it's 9, and we should say that this distance is 50. Okay, definitely here we have to check, this one should be 50 as well. Okay, we have this sketch, isometric, extrude, to change direction, put this one as 25 and confirm. So we will have the part as like as this. Now I'm gonna to select this plane, normal to, I'm gonna to use rectangle and make a rectangle here, but be careful, rectangle, my rectangle is a bit bigger than this the arc. Here let's put distance dimension. This one as 30, and here to here is given as 45. Another hint here is I'm gonna to use a point here, and distance between this point and here is 50. Okay, but be careful. You have to, if your case is as mine is small, you have to increase this one. Okay, and isometric, we have a sketch at the back of the parts. I'm gonna to cut extrude this one is by 1.5. Now isometric, again I'm gonna to work on this part, this plane. Normal to sketch rectangle from this corner to this corner. Feature, cut extrude, 3. So here we have the parts here is cut extrude as 1.5, but it is 3 here. Okay, isometric. Now let's continue by selecting on this plane normal to, or you may select even instead of this, go to hole wizard, normal hole, ISO 16. Okay, position here, normal to this point, confirm, and you may say that alright, this one sketch, right click, this one is concentric with this arc. Okay, sorry, this one should be selected as true all. Here back and select this one as true all. Okay, we made a hole there, and now we are gonna to create another, work on this plane, hole wizard, hole V14. We don't have 14. V14, 3 sized. So position here and here. It should be what would be the, it should be true all. Yeah, confirm, back to tree diagram, edit sketch, normal to. Now you can say that this point and this point is vertical, and also the size of this part is different, so we should, okay, we made a mistake here. Let's say let continue, doesn't matter. This one is here to here is 50, here to here this distance is given as 88, and what else do I need? I need one more dimension. 35. Point, put a point here, and this distance here to here, this one is 35. Okay, confirm it. No. Control Z. Since I put a point here and I'm using whole wizard, let's delete this whole wizard, because the whole size here and the figure is given as 40 and this one as 20. That's why much better to use the sketch. ISO, select this one, normal to sketch. Use a sketch. Simply you can create this sketch here as 1/4. Okay, here to here is 50, and actually the height, I need a point here, height here to here, it's given as 88 plus 35, it is 123. So I'm gonna to use cut, extrude and draw. So I made a hole here. Hopefully I made a hole here. What happened? Alright. Where is the other sketch? Huh. Okay. Cut, extrude, through all, confirm. Okay, we made this hole. Now similarly I'm gonna to select this plane, normal to circle, make a circle 20. Okay, and I have this point. Let's put again another point in this sketch. Let's say this point is vertical with this point, and distance between these two is 35. It should be black, and you should just need to confirm your sketch and go to features, cut, extrude, and you should select roll. Alright. On the next stage of this part, I'm gonna to select here hole wizard, use hole wizard. How many holes do I have here? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes. Okay, so what is the sizes of this hole? What the size of this hole is? Okay, use hole wizard. DIN, DIN, standard should be DIN. Is given as DIN. All right. Okay. Tap tool. Okay, let's select this one, ISO, straight, and here you should select M6. M6. Okay, is that true? Up to surface. This one is up to surface, right? Select position. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 holes here. 3, 4, and 5. Okay. And you should select this one up to surface as this surface. this one. Instead of up to surface, let's set blind, and let's put this one as 35. Is that enough? Yeah, it's less than 35. It is 30. All right, 30. Now it's time to revise these holes. Edit sketch, normal 2. We should say this one, we have this one, and this one should, I'm using control in my keyboard, and this, all of these points is vertical. Distances, I'm gonna to say that this one is 30, here to here is 30, 1, 3. Okay. Next is 50, 50, 50. This one to here is 50. Here to here is 50. And here to here is 50. This dimension here to here is 50 as well. Right? And from the sides it's 9. All right, here to here, this one is 9. Okay, all the colors in this colors of this point is black, that's why we can confirm. Okay, we have the same holes here on this other side of the parts, that's why I'm gonna to use a mirror here. Okay, let's select this plane, feature plane. Right, flip direction, this one is 50, confirm, select the plane and go to feature and mirror. Here you have to select the latest feature and you have to confirm it. So we made all on the other side of the part. This is a very complicated part. Okay, hide the plane, and hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna to stop my video here, and we will continue with other videos. Thank you.